Hi guys, welcome to CBSE and State Board Study Circle. Let's discuss Grade 4 English subject Santu titles Part 1 Unit 1 Together We Can exercises. In that first one, let us think. A. Answer the following. First one. What happens when you join hands with your team? Answer. When we join hands with our team, our goal becomes near and team spirit fills the air with cheer. It helps the team stand strong and tall together. Second one. Why is helping each other important? Answer. Helping each other is important because it ensures that we never fall. By working together and supporting one another, we can overcome any challenge. Third one, not be think and discuss in that first one. What makes you feel joyful? Answer. Spending time with my friends and family, playing games, sharing food, and achieving a goal together makes me feel joyful. Second one. Can you think of a good activity that you can do together with a friend? Answer. A good activity that I can do together with a friend is completing science project. Next, third one. Have you ever lost a game? How did you feel? Answer. Yes, I have lost a game. At the first, I felt sad. Later, I realized that I need to improve my game and winning, losing is a part of a game. Next, fourth one. Imagine you are the team leader of a group project and two of your teammates disagreed with each other for some reason. What would you do to unite your team again? Answer. As a team leader, I ask teammates to explain their ideas. Then I suggest them to combine the best part of both the ideas. So both teammates feel included, and I also tell them that together we shine. Let us speak. Darshana, I love my country. We have different traditions, food, festivals, and languages. But we still stand in unity. Yes, Bokali, together we stand in unity. Read what Bokali and Darsana are saying. Turn to your friend sitting beside you and exchange the conversation with each other. Share what foods and festivals you like the most and say few lines about them. Hello, I am Sinchana. My favorite food is payasam. My favorite festival is Deepavali. In this festival, we decorate our home, buy new clothes, prepare sweets, and burn crackers. Next, let us learn in that A. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks by using words from the box. One is done for you. Choil, pack, grow, herd, swar, bunch, bouquet. Okay, that first one, they already done for us in the form of an example. A dash of a sticks, a bundle of sticks. Second one, a dash of sheep, a herd of sheep means a group of a sheep. It is known as a herd in a collective noun. Okay. Third one, a dash of wolves, a pack of wolves. Fourth one, a dash of flowers, a bouquet of flowers. Fifth one, a dash of trees, a grove of trees. Sixth one, a dash of bees, a swarm of bees. Seventh one, a dash of boys, a choil of boys. Eighth one, a dash of keys, a bunch of keys. Next, do you know some details? I'll read for you people. Honeybees use a waggle dance to communicate with their hive members. They share the exact location of flowers having nectar, pollen, or water sources. Ants also work as a team using signals to find food, defend their colony, and build complex nests. Now, B. One activity is there. Look at the map given below and pay attention to the various places mentioned in it. Yes, the first hospital, in front of a hospital, uh, ambulance is there. Next to the hospital, bank is there. Then next, after the hospital, in front of a hospital, post office is there. Then school is there near to the bank, here near to the children park, in between the children park and the bank. Again here bookstore is also be there near to the children park. Then post office is there. Okay, yes, see here the what hospital, ambulance, bank, post office, school, in front of a school, van is there. Next, bookstore is there. Near the bookstore, the children park is there. Okay, so this is the water, the map, picture. Next, what the activity? Now fill in the blanks with the words chosen from the box. Okay, now we need to fill the blanks by choosing the water words from the box behind, between, near, and in front of. First one, the post office is dash the hospital. See here, the post office and the hospital. Okay, the post office is dash the hospital, in front of hospital. Answer is in front of. Second one, there is a bookstore. The dash children's park. Answer, near. There is a bookstore near the children's park. Third one, a bank is dash the school. The bank is dash the school. Behind. Yes, the bank is behind the school. Next, fourth one. There is an ambulance dash the post office and the hospital. Answer is between. There is an ambulance between the post office and the hospital. Correct? Yes. Next. A. Look at the pictures and answer the questions given below. See what's happened in the first picture. Oh, two boys they were walking. And here the first boy with the blue shirt, he is injured. You can see here his left leg. Yes, it is injured and he is crying also. And in the second picture, yes, the three students they are cleaning. Okay, someone is cleaning the window, somebody is throwing the dust and all in the dustbin, one is arranging the books and all. Yes, in the third picture, yes, one girl. She is helping one old lady, one grandmother, to cross the road by using what? The zebra crossing. The next, yes, here the three children are sitting. One child is sitting on the wheelchair, and now they are busy in their own work in making what they are doing. They are painting, coloring. Na, maybe they are making some poster and all. Yes, the next in the fifth it is a classroom's picture. And one teacher, few students are there, and maybe yes, the teacher maybe she asked some question from the book, and all the students they raised the hand. Yes, I know the answer. I know the answer. Okay, this will like that only, na? Yes. So now by using these, we will answer the questions. The first question: what is Lubang doing to help his injured friend, and what will they do next? Answer: Lubang is supporting his injured, crying friend by putting his arm around him to help him walk. Next, they will go to the home to get first aid for injury. Second one, what are Obang, Manya, and Tina doing, and what will they do next? They are cleaning and organizing their classroom together. One is throwing trash into the dustbin, one is dusting the window, and another is arranging books in the cupboard. Next, they will finish their chores and enjoy a clean, neat classroom. Third one, what is Anna doing, and what will the old lady do next? Answer: Anna is helping the old lady to cross the road at the zebra crossing. Next, the old lady will safely reach the other side of the road and say thanks Anna for help her. Fourth one, what are Zakir, Gulpreet and Gilashri doing, and what will they do next? Answer: they are happily sitting or sorry, they are happily sitting around a table preparing a poster along with their friend in the wheelchair. Next, they will finish their painting and play games. Fifth one, what are the students doing, and what will the teacher do next? Answer: the students are sitting at their desks and raising their hands to answer a question or solve a sum. Next, the teacher will call one of the students to answer the question or solve the sum. Next, let us do work together. Okay, throughout the chapter, they wanted to tell us that when we will work unitedly, okay, when we will work by unity, okay, when we will work together, at that time, easily we can reach our goal, easily we can finish our work, and betterly we can finish our work. Okay, yes, create your symbol for togetherness by following the simple steps given below and paste a picture of what you created in the box. Okay, yes, do it yourself. I will just read it the steps. Take a sheet of a paper and fold it this way. This way you need to fold it. Okay. So first I'll read the materials required: plain paper, pencil or a pen, crayons or any sketch pens, and the scissors. Okay. So first take a sheet of paper and fold it in this way. Draw one side a body like this, including head, neck, hand, dress, leg, and shoe. You can draw a boy or a girl. Okay, whatever you want, whatever you wish, you can. Okay. Then next, cut the paper along the drawing with scissors. Unfold the paper gently. Color it based on your choice with crayons or a sketch pens. See, at that time, beautiful picture will comes in front of you people. Okay. Yes. Then next, what to do? Just paste a picture of what you have created. So the space is given here. Just need to paste that picture there. Okay. Yes. Which is the symbol of togetherness, which is the symbol of unity. Okay. So students, please keep in your mind, when we are united, okay, when we will together, we can achieve anything. Okay. Yes. So these are the exercises of what? Exercises of chapter 1, together we can. Okay. So thanks watching this video till the end. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel CBSE and State Board Study Circle to watch the upcoming videos. Thank you.